Hello everyone, this is Nissy from Cooker 8 Japan. Did you know about Help Me Schedule? A new feature in Google Calendar. It's super convenient.
Help me schedule?
Yeah.
I think I've never heard that.
Yeah, for you working, scheduling takes up a lot of your time, doesn't it? Help Me Schedule is a new feature that makes the scheduling even more convenient. So first, let's introduce the features, then take a look at how to use them. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app from Google Chrome, Gmail app, and compose a new email. Yes, like this. By the way, clicking the letter C is a shortcut, so you remember.
Yes, this one we need to set up before start using, right?
Yes. Okay, a new email composition screen will open, so please click on the calendar icon on the far right of the bottom bar. This one, okay? When you click it, Gemini will automatically check your calendar for available dates and suggest them. So the key point here is that you don't present all your available dates. If you want to offer more options, click the pencil icon in the top right corner. This one, okay? So you can then click and add other available candidates. So like this one. Okay, so propose 10 times, okay? So click this blue icon. That's it. So clicking the propose button in the bottom right will switch to the Gmail screen and add the suggestions. So clicking the 60 minutes, make allows you to change the meeting duration. So let's change it to 30 minutes and override edit. So this one. Okay, so you can select whether other menus are available next week or today or this week. You can select this week. So Gemini can change your schedule.
This is really easy to schedule new times.
Yeah.
Because before we need to go to search, see the dates we are available and send to someone.
Yes, exactly.
But here on Google Gmail is suggesting everything you have.
Yes, they suggest best calendar, okay? Also clicking the letter T. So this change the format to text, okay? Want to text like this. Oh, this is very convenient, right? Clicking the three buttons will switch to reservation schedule mode. Please refer to the video I previously shared for this. This is creating a booking page feature, so please refer to the video I previously shared for you. So the key points are you can easily suggest candidate dates. The recipient can select a calendar even if they don't have a Google account. This is the crucial point, but there are disadvantages. Unlike the appointment scheduling feature, once you send candidates, even if an appointment is made for a date you sent later, it will still be presented as a candidate. It's a bad point. So for those who fear double booking, the appointment scheduling feature would be better.
So then if I just send this email to someone, to two people, so one of them book one time slot, the next one also will be available to book the same time slot.
Yes, not automatically change. Okay?
I see. But
So,
still useful.
Yes, very useful. So how was it? Basically, Gemini can now connect your Gmail and calendar. It's amazing to think that scheduling might become fully automatic in the future. What do you think of, Naruto?
Actually, I'm thinking that this is a big step forward to Gemini start helping more with scheduling our schedule.
Yeah, so wait for improving Google.
Yes, but I remember that a couple of months ago, we were talking about something, and just after half a year, it's a big improvement.
Yes, exactly. Great Google Workspace. So don't forget to like and subscribe, everyone. See you next time.